Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another unboxing video. Now this video is a special one because it's sponsored by Homasy. Now, I placed an order for an essential oil diffuser and I cannot wait to share it with you guys today, and I'll also be doing a quick demo to show you guys how it works. So let's get to it. The shipping was really fast, so that's always a bonus. It came in less than a week. I know sometimes shipping takes really long and that honestly just kills the fun out of everything. So this was great. And now just open up this side. I know the opening it up is not the funnest part. It's forever sometimes. Alright, here we go. So here is the box. Take out the product. Here we are. Here we have the Homasy 500ml Aroma Diffuser right here. Let's see what else they gave us. This is just the packaging, and that is about it for the box. I will open this up for you guys and let's see what they have. Okay. Can open it up right here. Okay. Oh wow, this is so nice. So they gave us a little thank you card over here, and it also says we receive 1 extra year of warranty for free, and we have a code here as well, so that is amazing. Okay, and then it looks like we just have a instruction manual, which is always helpful. That's great. And now for the best part. Here is the product. Let me just get it added here. Wow. It's like just small and portable, so it's great. It's not heavy, it's super lightweight, which is always a bonus. So here is a close-up look on it. And I just love that it's white because you put it in your living room, you put it in your bedroom, it goes with all the furniture. This is great. Wow, okay. So they also include 6 essential oils. So this is amazing because you don't, typically for some diffusers you may have to purchase the oils separately, but no, Homasy provides you with 6 different essential oils for you to use within the box itself. So let me just tell you which ones they have. So here we have lavender, and we have this one, tea tree, sweet orange, peppermint, lemongrass, and this one is, I can't pronounce this name, it starts with an E. Okay, I'm not even gonna try, but here are the 6. Let me just show you in close up. This is amazing. So this means that there is an oil for everyone's preference. There's 6. You have to like one. So this is amazing. Okay. So what we have in here is they gave us the port that we plug in. This is great. Let me just undo this for you here. And also, let's see. So this is a 500 ml one, and we also have a line here, and this is for how much water you would fill up in here on the diffuser. And let us plug this in. Just untie this. I cannot wait to share all the details about this diffuser with you. I'm just gonna plug this in real quick. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 500 ml diffuser. We have these 6 different essential oils included. And one of the main perks about this diffuser is that it's ultra silent. So if you want to have it on while you're sleeping, you will not hear a sound, which is great. Just gonna get this set up. Oh, wow, okay, so color just went on. So we know that it's working. Great, okay. So I have my water right here, and I will get this going. I'm just gonna fill it up to the line over here. Okay. And now, the most exciting part, which oil should we use? Okay, so I am going to try the lavender. And another great thing is that you don't have to just use one. So basically you can mix a few to achieve what you want. So for example, there's things like if you want to just relax, it provides you with the information of which oils that you can mix that would give you relaxation. There's also something that gives you a little boost, so for productivity, and also you can mix a few to get fresh air. So that way you don't have to just use a single one, you can achieve a result of your choice. Now, I'm just gonna put in a few drops. 2, 3. Okay, that should be good. Wow, I smell it already. Okay. Let us close this. Okay. Now, another great thing that I want to show you over here. So there is 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hours. So if you want it just for a short time, that's great. You can just click the 1 hour and it'll shut off. Or if you want to have it overnight, I would suggest going with the 6 hours. So let us turn this on. Also, the light feature. How cool is this? So there are 8 colors available. You can either do an auto setting where it stays on one color of your choice, or it'll cycle through all of them. This is incredible. I love it. This is amazing. So if you have it on at nighttime, it's gonna be glowing in your space. How cool is that, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go with mist. And we selected 1 hour. And look at this. Wow. How simple is that? It takes just a few seconds to set up, and there you go, it's already in action. How amazing. Wow. Well, there you have it. This product is something you're not gonna wanna miss out on. I suggest that you go ahead and have a look because this is amazing. Like I said, it comes with all the oils available and it smells amazing. So definitely go ahead and check out this product and stay tuned for more unboxing videos. Till next time, make sure to subscribe to Yes Epic Yes. Bye guys.